Transform your meals with mindful, joyful awareness. Today, many of us rush through meals, distracted by screens and busy minds. We consume without truly tasting every bite, missing the textures, aromas, and the subtle language our bodies speak. Fast eating leaves us unfulfilled and disrupts digestion. Imagine a simple shift. Slow down, chew carefully, and savor each morsel. Notice the vibrant colors and captivating scents of your food as you engage all your senses. Embrace moments of gratitude for every nourishing bite. When hunger meets fullness, listen to your body rather than succumbing to emotional cravings. By acknowledging challenges like stress, sadness, or overindulgence, you can reclaim a serene dining experience. Recognize triggers that shift eating into emotional comfort, then explore healthier outlets like mindful breathing or a friendly conversation. Each meal can become a journey of self-discovery and wellness. Start your mindful eating journey today. Savor every flavor, listen deeply to your inner signals, and transform each bite into an embrace of wellness and gratitude. Find balance and let every meal nurture your mind, body, and soul. Embrace this practice gently and witness how slower, mindful moments transform everyday meals into soulful experiences. Nourish your life with mindfulness.